Hey guys, my name's Freddy, and today I'm going to show you how to get the iPhysics application onto your iPod Touch. First, what you want to do is unlock your iPod. Then what you want to do is go to the installer application. Once this comes up, the resources and everything refreshed, then what you want to do is go to the bottom right hand corner and press sources. And then once you press that, you're going to see a button up there that says edit. You want to press that. Once you press edit, there's another button going to come up right to the left of it, and it's going to say add. You want to press that. And once the add sources thing comes up and it has the web address, you're going to want to type HTTP, so they're already there, colon / / it's already there, and then you want to type iPhone, IPHONE dot R4 M0 N dot net / repo.